Do you think 4K is enough for 360 camera? Think again. We put the Insta360 X5 to the test. 4K, 5.7K, 5.7 plus K and full 8K. The differences aren't just technical, they are visual, obvious and kind of shocking. If you have wondered whether high resolution really matters, this side-by-side will surprise you.
Hey guys, in today's episode I just wanted to compare how Insta360 X5 camera will film in different resolutions and whether it makes sense to switch between 8K, 5.7 plus K, etc. I mean, how much differences you will get. And let's start first with single lens mode, filming now in 4K 30 FPS. I think that Insta360 X5 is handling such a light condition very well. Let me switch the camera, the single lens, and film around me. We see a lot of details and it looks good. Dropping down the resolution in single lens mode to 2.7K 30 FPS. I'm not switching to 60 or 50 FPS. I'm not doing anything crazy with the camera, and actually I'm not gonna to slow down it during editing. So now it is 2.7K 30 FPS, and let me switch to the front one. Alright, let me know in the comments if you see any difference between 4K and 2.7K on a single lens mode. And now it is 360 mode and I'm filming in 8K 30 FPS. Sun is there, it's not shining yet on its whole power because it's only a few degrees above horizon, but it's not dark anymore. And today there is no clouds. Today should be really good visibility. In 8K 30 FPS, this mode is recommended when we are filming in a good light condition and when we want to see more details. Maybe we expect to zoom in the frame a bit while reframing. Yeah, but also this mode, you need to remember that it takes most of memory and also overheating your camera. Alright, switching now to 5.7 plus K 30 FPS. Interestingly, this mode is recommended by Insta360 as actually is better to use instead of 8K. In the specification it says that the resolution and the quality will be almost the same at 8K with smaller file sizes. Sounds good, but let's see if it's true. And after the framing, will it look the same? So guys, what do you think? Let me know in the comments.
When comparing 8K to 5.7 plus K, the difference is immediately noticeable. The 8K footage delivers incredibly crisp, sharp details, from textures on building to leaves in the distance. Everything just looks cleaner and more refined. While 5.7 plus K still holds up well, 8K clearly takes the lead in clarity and resolution.
The disadvantage of 8K and 5.7 plus K is that there is no active HDR. So I'm switching now to 5.7K 30 FPS, where active HDR is on. I'm on my favorite observation point here now. Beautiful sunrise is right behind me. It's over there. We can see all those shadows in the cactus. So guys, let me know in the comments, what do you think? Does 5.7K looks the same as 5.7 plus K or 8K? All of them are 30 FPS, but we know that every minute from now there is more and more light, so there might be some differences.
Even without jumping to 8K, the standard 5.7K clearly lose detail next to 5.7K plus. Textures look softer and fine elements starts to blur.
Okay, I'm switching now to the lowest resolution available in 360 camera. It is 4K 30 FPS. 4K, it means that this 4K is being shared for two lenses, and during the reframing, especially when we will be watching this video on the large screen, there might be some problems, but I hope the image will not be falling apart. But I mean, I'm gonna need to zoom in a little bit this image to, closer perspective. In this case, we might start seeing the pixels. So I expect that 4K is not the best resolution, perhaps only in case if you're not gonna frame your video in the crazy way, just to keep it in the original shape. I mean, without zooming, making it mega ultra field of view and so on and so on. So let me know guys, what do you think? Do you feel the differences filming in 360 mode in 4K 30 FPS versus 5.7K or 5.7 plus K or versus 8K? Because on the video preview, of course, I don't see any differences, but I will see while editing. Just continue filming in 4K. And sun is behind the mountains. I'm switching to 8K 30 FPS, and we can quickly compare how the video from 4K was and now how it is from 8K. Does it look the same? Where do you see more details? Where it is darker or brighter? Let me know in the comments. What do you think? Does it make sense to save space on your SD card and using 5.7K or 4K for in 360 mode, or actually 8K is a game changer? Leave a comment below.
Comparing 8K to 4K on a 360 camera really shows the difference. While 4K might sound high resolution, it actually refers to the resolution of the full 360 sphere. Once you crop in for standard framing, You're left with much less detail.
Just for the contrast, while walking still on the same road from the perspective because we tested, now it is 8K 30 FPS, pure video mode. Do you see any differences between the pure video mode and regular video mode as I was filming a few seconds ago? Let me know in the comments. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this comparison, and I hope that it will be helpful for you the next time when you're filming in 360 mode with your favorite 360 camera. If you enjoyed this episode, just don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In the next episodes, we will see a lot more interesting stuff. See you in the next one. Cheers. Bye.